Hello everybody! In this video we will talk about slow motion. Many people are going to tell you to film in 60 or 120 FPS, but I saw people that while editing they grab the footage and they pull it in the timeline to put the slow motion there, and no. Intro. Okay guys, I assume that most of you understand FPS and how to use them in slow motion. But if you don't have it clear, I will leave you a link of a video I did some time ago about FPS so that we can start editing. Now let's open Premiere Pro. Okay guys, I have here a sequence. This is Alaska. I was in Alaska 2-3 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. It was so nice. And I managed to go in these sailing boats around and I saw this cruise that is over here, you see? It passed in front of me, it's huge. It was so nice. But well, that's not the point. This sequence is in 24 FPS. And if I showed you here, this video of the cruise is in 60 FPS. So you can see here, all of these videos that are here in the sequence are 23.976, like it's 24 FPS. And the last video that is the cruise is 59.94, so it's 60 FPS. How are we going to create the slow motion? Normally, where the people are doing, because I know a lot of people doing this, they take it and they pull it over here in the timeline. And what they're going to do is right click, they go to speed duration, and they change it to 50. Enter. Look what happened. The video is now slower. It's slow motion and it's actually like double the size of the video. If you do it like that, when you just pull the video to the sequence is understanding this video as 60 FPS, but because the sequence is 24, it's going to convert it to 24. And then when you do this and you make the video bigger, so slow motion, it's going to stretch it and you're going to lose some quality. So what you normally have to do is this. You come here, I'm going to erase this, Control Z, so we go back to the beginning. You come here to the video and you do right click. You come here to modify, interpret footage. As you can see here on the top, the footage is 59.9401. So what you do is you come to assume this frame rate and you're going to change this. Remember how was the rate of the other videos? 23.976. Now you're gonna click OK. Now the sequence is understanding that this video is a slow motion video. It's a big difference. You just pull it. Look, the video is already double the size. It's a little bit more than double because this was a 60 FPS and this is 24 FPS. But there you go, you have it. And now as you can see, you don't lose any quality. Look at this slow motion, so smooth. So this is it. You don't lose the quality and it's as simple as that. So start doing it properly. Let me know in the comments below if you would like a specific tutorial. I promise I will consider all the suggestions. I hope this short tutorial helped you and an amazing video is coming. I prepared a very complete pack with a lot of motion graphics for your YouTube videos, so be ready. Until next time.